Okay guys, I got a 2015 Dodge Ram 1500 8-cylinder V8 5.7. Again, 2015. Just I guess the base model. Anyways, I have a ABS code, left uh, left speed sensor here. Left side is not showing on the scanner, and engine light on. I followed the harness from the module, and if you look right at this corner, I'm gonna come on this side right here, this plastic fender piece right there. I found it rubbing on that harness right there, and I'm gonna open it up and see what's corroded, because the wires are running in that harness right there. I don't know if it's clear enough, but once I open it up, I'll check which wire's corroded, fix it, and check the scanner again. I have replaced the sensor already and didn't fix it, so I started looking into the wiring, and I found this harness right there, all corroded. Looks like from this plastic here, rubbing on it in this area right there. But let's check when we open it up. Alright, so I opened up the harness and I did the repair on it, and it was in here, in this foily type paper, tape, whatever, harness protector thing here, and it was a green wire which ran from here in there, and I noticed pretty much in the middle of this little protective casing part here, there was a little pinch on the green wire. So I did cut it. I opened it up and I noticed that there was an open in that wire. So I did repair it, soldered the connector. I added a piece of wire because just to make it a little bit better. But yeah, now I'm going to tape it up and put it all back together and take it for a drive and see if it fixed it. Alright, so I put the wire back in its place. But I noticed that this area collects a lot of, I guess, junk, depending on where you live. Salt, dirt, stuff, and build up on this area. So I do have a feeling that this thing here, this area, might happen again for something else. But keep that in mind. I think also some other circuits run through here, back here, because there are a lot of wires. But let's see. I'm gonna put the fender back, the plastic little wheel well cover, and see what happens. Alright, so I erased the code, and now what I'm gonna do is, because on this scanner I can check the data stream, and I'm going to see if it reads now here, left rear, and I'll do the right rear also. Alright, so it's going to show both left rear, right wheel. So before I had 0 reading on the left rear and the right was working. Now that I replaced it, I'm going to back up a little bit, see if, okay, so it's already reading. So I'm going to go for a little drive. Sorry for the camera, but let's see. Alright, so it's reading. sure that that was the fix.